Are you looking for a first aid kit but unsure which one to choose? Well, you've come to the right video, and that's exactly what we're going to discuss. Whether it's for your home, car, or travels, a well-designed first aid kit is essential for handling everyday minor emergencies. We've tested several models and selected the top 3 based on their contents, compactness, and ease of use. You'll find the links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Here are the 3 best first aid kits. Let's get started. First, the Johnson & Johnson First Aid Kit, with its 160 items, is a versatile choice for handling minor injuries such as cuts, burns, or sprains. It includes bandages, cleansing wipes, antibiotic cream, and medications like Tylenol for quick pain relief. This compact and portable kit is designed for use at home, in the car, or during trips and outdoor activities. Organized in a durable case, it ensures quick access and optimal organization of supplies. In addition to trusted brands like Band-Aid and Neosporin, the kit features Benadryl itch relief cream and a practical first aid guide, making it an ideal choice for the immediate and effective treatment of minor injuries. Finally, the Be Smart Get Prepared First Aid Kit offers 110 carefully selected items to address family or workplace needs. Compliant with US FDA standards, this kit is housed in a shock-resistant plastic case, perfect for storage at home, in the car, or while traveling. The interior is organized into compartments for quick access and efficient use. Contents include antiseptic wipes, bandages, gauze pads, and an instant ice pack, ideal for cleaning, treating, and protecting minor injuries. Its compact size and secure locking mechanism make it a practical choice for on-the-go emergencies or keeping handy for unexpected situations. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.